You can step down, Detective, but stay here. There was one other witness to the events that transpired in the cabin that night, a witness apparently who perjured herself, Mrs. Jacks, front and center. Let's swear this witness in again, bailiff. Apparently the first time it didn't take.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Be seated.
Perjury is a serious offense, Mrs. Jacks.
I'm aware of that, Your Honor.
Good, then I don't have to explain to you how irritated I get when it happens in my world. This is your only chance to convince me that you're telling the truth this time, or what you say can and will be held against your son.
I understand.
Then let's proceed. Was your previous account of the events leading up to the death of Claudia Corinthos true and accurate, or is it your wish to change your story?
I'd like to change my story.
Was Michael present in the cabin on the night Claudia Corinthos died?
Yes. He drove over with Sonny. He was a few steps behind. He walked in right after Sonny hit Claudia. And Michael was understandably shocked. He knelt down next to Claudia to see if she was okay. He had no idea she was dead. And that's how Michael got Claudia's blood on his shirt.
So the confession that Michael gave to Detective Falconeri, that's the lie.
You have no idea what my son's been through. He went out with his father to a coffee warehouse and he was shot. And that's because of Claudia. She hired someone to kill Sonny and Michael was hit instead, and he spent a year of his life in a coma. When Michael woke up, he wasn't the same, and that has been very difficult for all of us. Michael has not been able to control his impulses ever since. He speaks without thinking. He says things he doesn't mean. He's been in counseling, he's been in therapy, and we have medical records to support this. Yes, we wanted to protect Michael. We wanted to shield him from this case because we didn't want to put him through this. But Michael didn't do anything wrong, and he definitely did not kill Claudia Zakara. And what Detective Falconeri's motives are for wanting you to think that he did, I cannot say. I don't know. I can only guess that the prosecution is correct in saying that Dante wants to use my son to protect Sonny, who happens to be his father. And that's huge for Dante. And if you don't believe that, you're not as smart as I think you are.
Well, that was quite a speech, Mrs. Jacks.
I was just telling you how it happened.
Is that it? Is there something you'd like to add?
That's all.
Step down. I want Michael Corinthos' medical records added to the case file and on my desk for review. This court will be adjourned until such time as Michael Corinthos can be produced to go on record. Miss Miller, your client's status hasn't changed. He's still the defendant in an ongoing murder trial. The jury is still sequestered and may be called to render their previous verdict or restart deliberations. Court is adjourned.
Well, you've been just aching to get Michael on the stand. Looks like you're gonna get him. Classic case of careful what you wish for. Where's Jason?
Looking for Michael. With any luck, he's found him and put an end to all this madness.
Hey, Dante. You know, Claudia was wrong on many levels. Inflicted a lot of damage on a lot of people. And I gotta tell you, one thing she never did was sell her brother down the river. I hope you're happy with that fallout. Especially the part where Sonny walks out of here a free man and you never get another crack at him again.
Are you stupid or just blatantly corrupt? Sonny Corinthos has left a trail of ruin that goes back more than a decade. Finally, Finally, he's about to be stopped, and you blew it.
Dante did his duty.
Dante just bought himself an internal affairs investigation.
Claire.
You knew the whole time, didn't you? That's why you didn't want me to get Michael's testimony. You brought me onto this case because you knew the charges for Sonny will get dropped. My whole career can get flushed because you lied. Why? Why did you do this?
I did it to keep my family safe.
Oh, yeah? How's that working out for you?
Good. What's wrong? You were great. I understand.
A lot of good that did, Sonny. If they find Michael and they put him on the stand, he's going to tell them everything. You know that, right?
Jason got out of here before the judge issued a warrant. Hopefully he'll find Michael, get him out of the country. What's wrong?
You want to believe that because if I somehow pulled this out, it lessens the damage done by your bastard of a son.
You sure you want to stick around?
There's no way I'm leaving you. You need me.
Well, that's good. So I might need you to watch my back.
Sonny Corinthos has been a thorn in my side for more years than I care to remember. Now, if I would have stopped there, I would have been fine with it, but I picked up family along the way, and I will do anything to keep them safe, so I rolled the dice.
Yeah, and I crapped out. And Michael will, too. And if he's really guilty of killing Claudia, he's going down. You know, Jax, nice work keeping your family safe. They must really appreciate it.
Let's go get some fresh air.
What's it going to be, Lulu? You going to run off with your new boyfriend or are you going to turn around and face me?
Just let it go.
No, I can't. Look, I get that you're upset and you're scared for Michael, but what just happened?
Don't patronize me. Stop. I want you to look me in the eye and tell me how you could betray me like that. Oh, tell me how you could help some son of a bitch that you didn't even know a year ago destroy my kid.
Why would you do this? You hate me so much that you would hurt your brother to get back at me?